This video compares Binance and Exness, two popular trading platforms. Choosing the right platform can transform your trading experience without unnecessary fees or complexity. We'll briefly explore their unique features and who they suit best. Binance and Exness both offer powerful trading tools that serve different audiences. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange with extensive digital asset options, while Exness focuses on Forex and CFDs with advanced leverage options. The core difference lies in their market focus and trading instruments. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, offering access to hundreds of digital assets including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. It operates through a user-friendly platform that supports spot trading, futures, staking, and DeFi integrations. Binance works by connecting buyers and sellers on a secure, high-liquidity market with real-time data and advanced charting tools. Its strengths include a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, low trading fees, and robust security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage. Binance also provides educational resources and a mobile app for trading on the go. However, it is primarily focused on crypto markets, so traders looking for traditional Forex or stock CFDs might find it limited. The ideal user is a crypto trader seeking variety, liquidity, and a comprehensive ecosystem for digital assets. According to Binance's official site, it suits both beginners and professional traders aiming for diverse crypto exposure. Exness is a global broker specializing in Forex and CFD trading across currency pairs, commodities, metals, and indices. It offers a powerful trading environment through MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms with features like ultra-fast execution, flexible leverage up to 1, unlimited, and tight spreads. Exness works by providing direct market access and liquidity from top-tier providers, ensuring competitive pricing and minimal slippage. Its strengths include strong regulatory compliance, transparent pricing, and a variety of account types tailored for beginners to institutional traders. Exness also supports automated trading through expert advisors and offers comprehensive analytics tools. Limitations include less focus on cryptocurrencies compared to Binance and a more traditional market scope. The ideal user is a Forex or CFD trader who values speed, leverage, and regulatory security. As detailed on exness.com, it's perfect for traders who want to maximize margin potential while managing risk with professional-grade tools. Comparing Binance and Exness highlights their distinct strengths. Binance excels in cryptocurrency variety and ecosystem integration, ideal for users focused on digital assets and blockchain opportunities. Its low fees and liquidity make it attractive for high-volume crypto trading. Exness, on the other hand, specializes in Forex and CFD markets, offering superior leverage and execution speed suitable for currency traders and those seeking traditional financial instruments. Binance's limitation is its narrower Forex offering, while Exness lacks the extensive crypto selection found on Binance. For example, a crypto trader looking to invest in altcoins or DeFi would prefer Binance, while a Forex trader aiming for tight spreads and flexible leverage would choose Exness. Both platforms provide strong security and user interfaces, but your choice depends on your preferred market and trading style. Binance is recommended for cryptocurrency traders seeking a wide range of digital assets, low fees, and a comprehensive crypto ecosystem for diversified investing. Exness is best suited for Forex and CFD traders who prioritize fast execution, high leverage, and regulatory transparency. Choose Exness if your focus is on traditional markets with professional tools. Select the platform that aligns with your trading goals and asset preferences.